So that's one thing that you can do. Okay. Now the other one. Okay. Let me give you one example over here. Okay. You have to explore more angles. Okay. I'll give you one example of a fitness coach. Okay. You have seen the workshop, right?
Yeah.
Hemant?
Yes.
Have now tell me, okay, have you done that exercise?
Yeah, I did. I did.
Okay. I'll tell you haven't. Okay. I'll tell you why.
Okay.
Why and why do I know that? Okay. So I'll give you one example and you will be blown away by not blown away, that will be a very egoistic to say, but you would be like convinced that you need to do it again. So we have a fitness coach.
Okay.
Okay. He was continuously focusing on a few angles, which was fat loss. Okay. Then another one was related to hormone reversal.
Okay.
Right. And all the things that you can think of. So let's say if you have a fitness coach, what are the angles that you will be focusing on? You tell me, Hemant. Let's do this exercise together, okay?
Okay.
What all things? Yeah.
Fat loss or muscle building, fat loss.
Yeah.
And then strength training, and then mobility, something like that.
Right.
And then something like cardio sports, something like that.
Right. Like, all the ones that are building endurance and all those things, right?
Yeah, endurance.
Can you think of anything else that comes to top of your mind?
How to increase the like this will be like 80 plus.
Okay, I got it. Let me tell you one thing. So whenever anyone goes into any business, they go with the research work that has already been done by their competition.
Hearing.
Why? Because everyone does that thing. They will definitely go and see their competition. Jason Fledlian said this the best. He said, whenever he enters in any niche, he goes with his own research. And I believe him 100%. Because every research work that is done till now is lazy or is to the point, if it is not lazy, is to the point where they got the results and then they became complacent. So there is always a room which is always left because they reach to the top and then they don't need to spend more time finding anything. Does this make sense? Okay. Now, let me tell you one thing. Okay. So what I asked him to do was just go to Reddit forums. Okay. And see what are the questions that are getting upvoted. Questions in the last month that are getting upvoted. So what does that do? That gives him a proven concept. Okay. Like as in, what is, what are people asking? And second thing is, it gives it topical. The topical is basically what is working right now, right? For example, AI is working in my field, right? And all.
Yeah.
And he got one topic, which is how to reverse your age.
Oh yes, sorry. This I was thinking.
You are thinking, but that's always at the bottom of everyone's list.
Yes.
And also the total addressable market might not be that big. But at this point of time, because of Brian Johnson, Dipender Goyal, and a lot of people doing those things, the category marketing of this particular niche or product or whatever you call it is really high. And people are actually looking for it. So busy professionals who want to reverse their age. Right? He immediately got one angle and he has a funnel now dedicated only for that. And the high ticket value that he was able to charge at that point of time was, let's say, $3,000. Okay. $3,000. Right now, because, and also 3,000 only for like 6 months. Okay. Why? Because it's fat loss. Yeah. But age reversal takes more time than that. So he can now sell a package of 2 years, which is, are you getting it?
Of course.
So what I'm trying to say over here is your research is not enough. Okay. You might be able to find a few angles which will basically disrupt the funnel. Okay. So we tackled what Facebook can do over here. Okay. And then what are we doing? Like we tackled what Facebook can do over here. Okay. Now what are we tackling? We are tackling what our angles of creativity can do. And this is 90% responsible for you able to scale up. Why? Because we all know creative is the new targeting, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So I would request you go back, okay, do the workshop again. We do that workshop for every client that walks in. Okay. Regardless of how many times we have. Why? Because we know that the competition is only gonna tell us bare minimum. Because and anyway, we want to beat the competition. We want to wipe the floor with them. So if you want to wipe the floor with them, our research should be such that it's beating them. And I have handed you over that particular research. And that's the best research you can have, okay, in the market. It takes 1 hour, 2 hours, okay, if you're patient. But if you are doing research on your own, it will take you 7 to 8 hours.
Yeah.
Right? So if you do that research, okay, that particular framework which is there, if you fill that brainstorming framework, and also, the target audience, the customer persona and everything, you would be able to nail it in a way that, no one else in the market can.
Yeah.
You be the member of the community. You ask good questions.
Thank you. Okay.
Does this make sense? This is gonna solve everything for you. Okay. That's
100%.
You don't need anything else, to be honest. And also, if you need, those are like 2%, 3% increments only. If you just do this is gonna significantly improve your results, and then we can optimize other things. There would definitely be a lot more things that we can do. We can look at micro clarity and see a lot of things. But right now, I don't want that to be done. I just want you to focus on the creatives, because that's going to impact the most. Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here, okay? We'll just tell you what's wrong with your account. And if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.